guys, today's tutorial is for 2 different ways to incorporate pull-through braids into your ponytail hairstyles. I think that they're actually pretty easy. I love pull-through braids and I love ponytails right now, so shove them together and this is what you got. They're totally different styles. I think that one is more poofy and bubbly. This one right here is like a little bit more of like a French braid hairstyle. So I hope you guys like this tutorial and let's get started. To do the first hairstyle, you're going to put your hair in a ponytail. You can do it wherever on your head you want. Mine is kind of in the middle of my head. I'm just going to use a regular elastic, secure it into a tight ponytail, and then pull at the crown of my head so that that has more volume. Then to start the braid, we're going to separate the ponytail into 2 equal sections. So you have a top ponytail and a bottom ponytail. And then you're going to take the top ponytail, split that in half, and bring the 2 sides over and under the bottom ponytail and secure that with a small clear elastic. Then you're going to do the same thing, taking the top ponytail, splitting it in half, bringing the 2 sides and joining them together under the second ponytail, and then joining that together with a small clear elastic. And this is basically what you do the entire way down. So you take the top ponytail, split it in half, put the 2 sides under the bottom ponytail, and join them together again with a small clear elastic. And you can do this as many times or as little times as you want. I did this maybe halfway down my hair, but if you do it all the way down, it's totally stunning too, and like a really more statement look. So do whatever you fancy. Now for my favorite part of this style is pulling it apart. So basically you're just going to pull at each side of each individual section and pull outwards and upwards to make it look so thick and so bubbly. And the trick to really getting each section is to make sure you're holding the elastic right under each individual braided kind of section so that you can really get it to pull through without making the bottom pieces look flat, if that makes sense. And then lastly, once you've had it pulled apart as much as you want, I just take another small clear elastic and put that on the bottom of what I've just done and pull out that bottom piece so it makes it look a little bit more bubbly too. Now for the second more French braided style, I'm just going to take the hair from the crown of my head and put a small clear elastic joining that together, leaving the sides out, and then just making a small ponytail right there and poofing up the crown of my head so it has more volume. Then I take the side pieces from either side, join it over that first ponytail, and secure that together with a small clear elastic. And then I'm going to do it once more, taking the pieces from the side even further down, joining them over the second ponytail and making a third ponytail. And then I'm just going to pull at either side of the ponytails to make it have a little bit more of an undone look and more volume. And if it kind of gets unruly, then just tuck that under. And then I'm just going to take my regular elastic and put my hair into a low ponytail and take a small piece from the underneath and wrap it around the elastic to hide that and bobby pin that in place, and you have your second hairstyle. Hope you guys loved this tutorial as much as I did, and I will see you next time with another video.